What's going on, YouTube? Train Guy Ike 20 here, Galt Subdivision.
And this is SD60 at 5530 production.
Yo, foamers, Galt Subdivision, Dixie Go. We got 132 coming in. Triple engine SD30, SD60, SD40. Look at these bad boys.
Oh, yeah.
Yo, get the shot, get the shot. Fire! Until next time, you stay tuned for more action. Dixie Go Station CP130.